What's up, team? So I'm sure you've heard about visualization and meditation. Well, which one should you do? Which one will help you create the life that you want? Will help you get to your goals faster? Well, today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between meditation and visualization and why you need both. The two main differences: meditation helps you rest, relax, recover, helps you prioritize the things that are important, helps you shift your perspective on life, and actually declutters your mind. So it helps you recover in mind, body, and spirit. It helps everything get into alignment so that you have the vitality to go after your goals. And then visualization helps you reprogram your subconscious mind. So meditation, you're turning your mind off for a little bit, that conscious mind. And then while you visualize, you're actually using your conscious mind to reprogram your subconscious mind. So I want to talk about two things that meditation really does for us. I don't want to list all the benefits. There's many benefits to meditation. But today, I want to talk about one, when we sit down and just listen for once. We quiet our mind, we shut it off, and allow God to flow through us so that we can hear the answers to all the things that we ask for. Sometimes we're always just asking. I want a new car, I want a new job, I want more money, I want this house, I want this person. I want to be fit, I want to be healthy, I want to be happy. Well, meditation slows us down so that maybe we can actually listen for answers. So we can change our perspective on life. So we can actually respond to things that are happening to us and not just get so reactive and angry, pissed off. It's like it de-stresses our entire body. Sometimes I'll get home in the middle of the afternoon and maybe I've had a long morning, maybe I didn't get good sleep, and I just sit there, close my eyes, and just try to shut off for a moment. I don't want to fall asleep, but I want to slow my brain waves down. I want to stop thinking about all the things that I think I need, the things I think I need to do. I have to do this, I have to do that. Now we can be in the flow of life. Now we can see the opportunities that are coming to us. My car didn't start the other day, and I really been wanting a new truck. So instead of getting super pissed off, I was like, I guess this is time. Let me start looking at trucks. Let me see if I can find this Army Green Tacoma that I've been looking for. I look around, can't find it. There's one about 2-3 hours away. It's a pretty high price. I don't want to pay that. It's not exactly how I want it. It's a short bed, not a long bed. We'll check it out anyways. Before I decided to go, I was like, let me just call my local Toyota. Let's see what they have. They tell me they have a nice rental vehicle so I can come check out the color. I can test drive it to see if I like it. Well, I said, this is exactly what I want. Let me buy it. They said, I don't know if that's possible. We'll see. They talked to the GM. He says, come out and test drive it. You can buy it next week as soon as we take it off rental status. So I called on Friday, test drive it Saturday. I like it. I want it. Let's get it on Monday. I get the text. We go out and get it. Now, sometimes shitty situations happen, like your car doesn't start for you. But this inspired me to take action on getting the new car that I've always wanted. I've been thinking about getting a truck for 6 months to a year. Haven't pulled the trigger. Now, if I was super reactive and pissed off, maybe I would have just acted differently. But I was like, you know what? Let me take my time here. My battery died for a reason. Let's see what happens. We get a good deal. Synchronicities happen. The next day after that, one of my former clients comes in and says, hey, my son works at Toyota. You should give him a call. That's actually the real reason I called Toyota. And I couldn't have made it work out any better. And that's what I'm talking about when I say get into the flow of life. Meditation helps me with that. We can't allow these little things to stress us out. So not only does meditation help you with your energy, helps you recover, but it helps you connect with God. It helps you connect with the world and connect with yourself. You find out who you really are, what you're really about. And when you start meditating, that aura, that spirit of yours will shine brighter. That's that king aura. We walk around confident, powerful. Now, visualization. Why do we visualize? So we all have these things that stop us, that hold us back. We don't believe that we're capable of accomplishing some things. It's hard for us to take action. It's super uncomfortable. We don't know which steps to take. So we have these goals. Once a day or twice a day, you start visualizing. You tune into that goal. You see yourself as already having it. You feel what it feels like to drive that new truck. You feel what it feels like to have all those things that you really want. And you're starting to reprogram your subconscious mind. Now, I was reading Psycho-Cybernetics. It's this book, and I had an underlined part in there, and it said, you tune into your goals twice daily. Once or twice. Really feel it. Get into that goal. But then, throughout the rest of the day, you're just focusing on enjoying the process of getting there. You're enjoying each step that it takes to achieve it. There's no doubt in your mind that you're going to achieve it, but you have to just enjoy the process. You can't be so attached. If you're thinking about that all day long, you're going to miss the present moment. So that's why at night before we fall asleep, when we're in that hypnagogic state, we start visualizing. Seeing ourselves, feeling good, feeling powerful, feeling confident, feeling healthy. Whatever that goal is for you. And we're reprogramming our subconscious mind. And as we fall asleep, it'll still be working. It'll still be focusing on that. And then when you wake up, guess what? You'll just start seeing new opportunities that align you with that goal. Now, you're not just like manifesting it and not taking action. You'll start taking the action step that it requires. You'll still have to get uncomfortable. I really didn't want to go to the dealership. I didn't really want to spend money. But I knew it was the right thing to do. I knew that that's where I should be. And back to that car story, about 3 to 5 days in a row, I was visualizing myself driving a Toyota truck. The Army Green. Now this wasn't even the reason I was visualizing. It wasn't even the goal that I was going for. Because that's not really a goal, right? It's not really, but it's something that I wanted. It's something that I knew would help me improve my life. I have a house now. I have to haul things. I can't be in my little whip. It's time to grow up. It's time to adult. Let's get it. But this was just part of the scene that I created for myself. Because we create a scene in first person. And I'd always fall asleep before I got to the real thing that I'm trying to create. Empowering more people. But that was just a part of it, and I thought that was a very cool experience. Now, this isn't the first time that I've used visualization. I visualize all the time. But I used to do it too often. I forgot about meditation. I'd be like, oh, I am visualizing. That is meditation. But now I really understand the concept and the difference between visualization and meditation and why you need both. Because one, we have to work on becoming the person that we need to be to accomplish our goals. The other one, we have to start listening. We have to slow down. We have to declutter our mind and listen for the answers. When we're visualizing non-stop over and over and over and over again, we're too consumed. We're trying to force something that isn't there. When it's more important to just go with the flow of life. So remember the two differences between meditation, visualization. I visualize before bed. I meditate in the afternoon. One more thing for you to grasp the concept of visualization. So, if you've ever heard a champion talk, they're like, you ask them, how did it feel becoming the champion? Or before you were a champion to when you became a champion? They always say there's no difference. I felt like a champion before I ever got there. I felt like the best in the world before I ever became champion. They already assume that feeling. So if you want to be that healthy person, you have to start acting like that healthy person today. You have to know you're healthy. Be healthy. And that's what visualization does. You start assuming that feeling, you get into that place, and subconsciously you'll start taking the right action steps. You'll start moving closer to those goals, to becoming the person that you want to be, to creating the life that you want. Remember, I'm just here to ignite your passion. Be you and be different. This is the Wellness and Such channel. Hit that subscribe button for me. Peace and one love, always.